Welcome guys, in this video we will learn how to convert photos into a cartoon effect in Photoshop. Ready for this? Let's go started. So the first thing that you need to do, make a duplicate of the background layer. To do that, Ctrl J or Command J if you are using a Mac. And then grab your quick selection tool for the tool panel. Start selecting your object. Now with your layer selection, click on the mark icon. To create a layer, mark icon from your selection. Then right click the mark and choose refine mark. Change value if you want. I will select black blue. Increase radius a little bit. Also increase smooth 37 and contrast 36. Then click OK. Now select the background layer and create a solid color layer. Change color to white. Then grab Paint tool from the option panel. Change to shade. Remove this tool and change fill color to any color you want. In the case, I will use the red color. And now select drawing a wave shape like this with the Paint tool. Then select all the layers and right click and choose Convert Smart Object. Now select layer 1, then duplicate it 2 times. Ctrl J or Command J if you are using a Mac. Make layer 1 only visible. Now select layer 1 and select Filter Gallery. Then under Artistic folder, choose Postage Edge and select the value 0, 0, and then click OK. Again same layer selected and go to Filter, Sharp and select Unsharp Mark and save this value amount 90, radius 5.0, threshold 10. Then click OK. Again go to filter and select oil paint filter. And set this value. Stylization 4. Color linear 3. Scale 0.1 and keep other value 0. Then click OK. Again go to filter, sharpen and apply the unsharpened mark. Again decrease the value. Amount 60, threshold 5, radius 5.0. And then click OK. Now rename the layer. Just double click the layer. Now select the second layer and unhide it. Then go to filter, filter gallery. Under artistic, choose postage edge. Then select value 0. Three and 6. Then click OK. Again the same layer selected. Go to paint filter. Now keep the value same. Then click OK. Now change blend mode. Select overlay. We change the opacity 30 or 40%. And rename layer 2. Now make visible layer 3 and select it. Then go to filter, other and select hyper and set value radius 2 and then click OK. And change blend mode. Select overlay. Now go to adjustment layer button and select level. And adjust level selected. That's great. Again go to adjustment layer button and select vibrance. vibrant stem and saturated 5. Again go to adjustment layer button, select color lookup. Choose 3-step joule. With sense opacity to 50%. Select layer 3 and rename. Now press Ctrl and select all layers. Then Ctrl G or Command G if you are using a Mac. Now make a group. Let's see the before and after. Thank you guys.